In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo on your Wix website. To get started, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Make sure you are using the correct account before moving forward, since this is where you will set up the connection to your Wix store. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account name. This will open a menu with several options. From that menu, select Integrations. This area is where Klaviyo lets you connect with other platforms and services, including e-commerce website builders like Wix. After the integrations page opens, click Explore Directory. This will take you to the full list of available integrations that Klaviyo supports. In the search bar, type Wix, then select it from the results. Opening the Wix integration page will show you the setup option you need. From there, click Connect to Wix to begin linking the two platforms. Next, Klaviyo will ask for your Wix store URL. Enter your Wix website address carefully, then click Connect Account. It is important to use the correct store URL here, because this is how Klaviyo identifies the website you want to connect. If the address is entered incorrectly, the connection may not go through properly. After that, you will be redirected into Wix to complete the authorization. On the Wix side, review the permissions being requested, so you understand what Klaviyo will be able to access. This step is important because it allows the integration to sync the data needed for your email marketing, customer activity tracking, and store communication. When you are ready, click Agree and Add inside Wix. This confirms the integration and gives Klaviyo permission to connect with your store. Once approved, the setup process should complete automatically. At this point, your Klaviyo account should now be connected to your Wix website. If you do not see the connection right away, give it a moment to finish processing and then check the integration status again inside Klaviyo. It is also a good idea to confirm that the correct store was connected before you move on to any email campaigns or automation setup. That covers everything you need to know.